In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all emails from Outlook. Export all your emails. By the end, you'll have a single file that contains your messages and folders, perfect for backup, archiving, or moving to another computer. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. In the top left corner, click the File tab. This takes you to Outlook's Backstage view, where all the account tools live. On the left, select Open Export, and then choose Import Export. That opens the Import and Export wizard, which is where we'll create your backup. In the wizard, select Export to a file, and click Next. On the next screen, choose Outlook Data File.pst, then click Next again. A PST file is a standard Outlook container that can hold your emails, attachments, and folder structure. It's widely supported within Outlook, and it's easy to move or store safely. Now pick what you want to export. Select your email account or the top-level folder, for example, your inbox. Make sure you check Include subfolders. This is important because it ensures everything under that account, like sent items, drafts, and any custom folders you've created, is included in the export. When you're ready, click Next. Choose where to save the PST file and give it a clear, memorable name. You can click Browse to select a folder on your computer or an external drive. Be mindful of storage space. Large mailboxes can produce large files, so pick a location with plenty of free space. If you'd like, you can set an optional password on the PST for extra security. If you do, store that password somewhere safe. Without it, you won't be able to open the file later. When everything looks good, click Finish. Outlook will start exporting. The time this takes depends on the size of your mailbox and your computer's speed. Keep Outlook open and avoid shutting down your computer until the process completes. You may see a progress window while the file is created. When it's done, your PST file is ready to be copied, stored, or moved as needed. That's it. You've successfully exported all your emails from Outlook. Thanks for watching.